kick things off. We're LIVLIV. Don't know where I'm going, but I'd rather be alone. Might take the long way home, find paradise on an unknown road. It's nighttime with a broken phone, brain melt and I'm on my own. Hades came to greet me, came to keep me company while I smoking green. Lighthouse said he'd guide me back, confused when I changed the track. Fade to black, no faking that, jack a bike ride until we crash. So I lie on the grass to my side coming back. Won't try to resist, relapse. I can see the light, I can read the night sky. Take me up to compelling heights, floating in a sea of stars. Hades got me counting cards, at the table with a blunt in hand. Not sure when he'll let me land. I got space but I ain't got time, a safe face but I pay no mind. I can read between the lines, you should see me fight. Told you I'm my surprise. Hey, these days I'm phased, play the game so faded. Run away with hallucinations, hell of my own creation. Yeah, there's no telling the truth from a fiction. Can't decide if you're real or a vision. Sitting with the Grim Reaper, with the Grim Reaper from all his missions. Can I have a minute? Can I grapple with my own delusions? Nah, excuse me, entropy is switching gear. Taxi, can you drop me here? I don't fake it. You haven't seen my best yet, have some patience. Delirium taking, can't escape the chains on terrain, okay? Where will I go while I'm here alone? Siren songs calling me home. Neptune bellows come below, might be the place I can make my own. No way, can't breathe too deep, gonna lose myself at sea. No treasure worth the fee, someone save me. Back to earth, where have you been? I've been looking for that smile, everywhere except my dreams it seems. You and me, don't need a reason. Smell of jasmine on the breeze, taste the spirits by the sea. Don't leave, don't leave. Not when you feel like ecstasy, not when this love is heavenly. Nah, baby, please come back to me. Don't leave, baby, please come back to me. I said this love is heavenly, this love is heavenly. Yeah. Don't get lost inside the dream, baby, please come back to me. This love is heavenly, baby, please come back to me. Don't get lost inside the dream, don't get lost inside. Yeah, the sun is dim when you're beaming. When I'm with you I don't need a reason. Let me show you the way from oblivion, cause I know those roads are thin. Woo! Thanks guys. That song's called Entropy. It's coming out on the 5th of December. The same day that we're opening for the Fundamentals. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. Yeah. It's gonna be a good one. Walking in like deja vu, same grin, same broken halo. Told myself I'm through with you, but here I go, soft step, slow echo. Slip through the cracks in my intentions. The minute I caught your attention, caution blurred in the tension. I know better, did I mention I hum your name like a secret song. We said goodbye, but it still plays on. The signal lingers in my chest. You put value, but not the rest. You twist the night to fit your shape. Soft voice, sharp game, wrong timing. I'm always almost walking out, but your presence pulls like lightning. Your name tastes like heat and static. On my tongue it's automatic, but I got good at reading from the eyes. Danger from a smile in disguise. I hum your name like a secret song. We said goodbye, still plays on. The signal lingers in my chest. You broke the loop, but not the rest. The night looks different from the cab. Your name hits harder in past tense. I dance with you like I forgot how many times I've made amends. But I know how this ends. I've seen the city, and you're 10 times better in my dreams. Still I'm leaning like I'm brand new to fill the bars I never outgrew. Too much, too soon, too often. You blink, I sink, we soften. I burn, you hum, we're static. This loop, this mess is tragic. I hum your name like a secret song. We say goodbye, but it still plays on. The signal lingers in my chest. We broke the loop, but not the rest. Trouble always knew my name, and I still dance when the record plays. Trouble always knew my name, and I still dance when the record plays. Trouble always knew my name, and I still dance when the record plays. I'm gonna introduce these guys playing with us today. First up, we got Brady Lawton on guitar. He's a gem. We've got Sam Ainsley on the drum kit. We've also got Chris Trainman on the trumpet. And last but not least, we have Aiden Rock on the sound desk. Woo! We're gonna do a cover next. Somehow we gotta find a way, no matter how many miles it takes. I know I feel so good right now, but it all come falling down. And the night, make the light turn the day. Can't stop, then I won't stop. I know just how that feel when you're on top till the ball drop. I've never seen it be so real. I feel so good right now, but it all come falling down. When the night, make the light turn the day. Feel it a little, feel it a lot. I'm swimming a bit deeper in thought, keeping my head on top of my shoulders. There's some shit I'm out of the box. This the level I'm on, needing it all right now. Whatever is gone, maybe the weather is strong, whether it's hot or cold. Come knocking on your door, but I'm all maintain. I'm staying so high, put the ladder on the web till we touching the sky. No, you're dead wrong, you would love it a lot. All I wanna do is free your mind. We don't see no lines, we don't color inside. Very small world, we don't mess with the size. See the bigger picture when it's beneficial love, and how I catch you with a whistle when you run out of time. Waking up, open up my eyes. Do you mind if I blow your mind a little closer, baby? Don't be shy. Why you worried that it's gonna be fine? I guess that kind of thing is really all I'm trying to say. We don't have a lot of time to waste. Somehow we gotta find a way. Somehow we gotta find a way. No matter how many miles it takes. I know it feels so good right now, but it all come falling down. The night, make the light turn the day. I wouldn't wait forever. Just shoot your shot. We don't need no more, no extras. We are, we got. Yeah. All the lights flickering, hitting the right switches. I'm living this life different and missing the flight. I had had a plan to change. You can't stand the rain, little delay, but I came and you're cool with it. I don't trip, flip or lose my grip, and I don't know it all, but I do know this. Before you know me, better know self. I've been in this shit so long that it don't smell. Turn a hotel to a castle. I'm living like a king for a grand, and I don't do nothing that's a hassle. Besides, even that castle made a sound. Just might slip into the sea. Oh, if it all ain't me. Maybe we inside the maze. Somehow we gotta find a way. Okay, somehow we gotta find a way. No matter how many miles it takes. I know it feels so good right now, but it all come falling down when the night meet the light, turn a day. I wouldn't wait forever. Just shoot your shot. We don't need no more, no extras. We got. Special song that I wrote about situationships, which I'm sure you've all maybe had some experience with. It's called Sentimental. Don't know what it's got planned for me. All these demands lately, barely kept myself from drowning. But look what I made out of nothing. Turned disgrace into something. Now I'm a subject of discussion. Could barely walk, now I'm running. And then you came around. As I looking in the mirror, now I can see the world clearer. Never thought I'd find you here. You get my sentiments like Bluetooth device connected. Others don't get the references. They're for us to remember with. I know you feel the effect you have on me, 'cause you said it. I laughed and smirked. It's a show for VIPs only, but no one else has a ticket you're holding. When I'm with you, my mind is quiet. Heart swells just like my smile. And well, when I'm by your side, everything else feels alright. Hey, we didn't need labels to name it. Yeah, I get anxious, I don't wanna see it fade. Taught me to be patient. Can't help but wear the feelings on my face. Wish I could disappear and be with you tonight. Wish I could pause life with your skin on mine. Love the way you made me feel like sunshine. Love the way you saw the jokes for me in real time. Eventually I'll have to turn and face the music. Can I stay stuck in this this blissful apparition is one more night, one more day of dreaming. Even if this season has ended, I'll stop checking the 90 series retro plates, cause I'm not gonna see 997 PM8. I guess this is the way it had to be, cause when you left, you set me free. A single siren in a sea of souls, a glowing light among the coals, the sound of love calling you close. Ocean swallow me whole, someone save my soul. Oh, it's the stillness, the moments in between that build this real shit. Insane in my own existence, I feel this psychosemantics, internal anarchist, getting lost in the illusions. Am I delusional, making shit up in my head, or alternate endings? Opportunity knocks on the door, but nobody here keeping the score. You offer out your soul, they wrap it up and sell it back to you. Two sides of the same coin, one side joy, the other one scorn. Epiphany's got me on my knees, still can't see the forest for the trees. Falling in love, falling apart, I'm blinded by the matters of the heart. A single siren in a sea of souls, a glowing light among the cold, sound of love calling you close. Ocean swallow me whole, someone save my soul. A single siren in a sea of souls, a glowing light among the coals, the sound of love calling you close. Ocean swallow me whole, someone save my soul. This has been so much fun. I just want to say a quick shout out to the Laneway for having us here. What an amazing venue. And another big shout out to Neighborhood Productions for doing all of this behind the scenes work, this stage and all these speakers. They weren't here like a day ago. Yeah, they make it happen for us. It's hot, right? What's the cost of greatness? Now I can't think straight. Was just trying to pay my way. No, I don't feel great. These tricks of fate. No, I'm not okay. I get by, but nothing's the same. Friends in higher places, more like horror in confined spaces. What's the cost of greatness? If your sanity is the price to pay for it. My mind it paces. In time I find safeness. For now, I'm looking down, keep my head above the ground, doing circles in my mind. Will I ever come around? You found me with both boundaries. Need freedom from this memory. Was already down, now I can't see my feet. Won't let it get the best of me. Adding insult to injury. But now, your control has ceased to be. Was already down, now I can't see my feet. Still, won't let it get the best of me. I'm making the best of shock and circumstances, like I don't acknowledge them, when really I'm drowning just below the surface. But you're not looking close enough notice? Take it easy, that's what I tell people. I say I'm not too bad, but I lie through my teeth. Cause they don't know me, eyes bright but I'm hiding. Scars don't show from this side of me. Always put together, always looking tidy. Always cracking jokes, but behind the smile, these memories, they haunt me. And what? Supposed to carry on like nothing's wrong, but I'm alone in this world cold as stone. You found me with no boundaries. Need freedom from this memory. Was already down, now I can't see my feet. Won't let it get the best of me. Adding insult to injury. But now your control has ceased to be. Was already down, now I can't see my feet. Still, won't let it get the best of me. Thanks, guys. This is one of our favorites. Thank you so much for coming. We've been LIVLIV. We've got one more song to play. Make sure you stick around because everyone else is coming on. It's amazing. We're gonna finish this off with a cover. It's a fun one. If you feel like grooving, now's probably the time. Could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. Man, I thought I had everything, I was lonely. Now you're my everything, I was hoping. Mixed a lot of love with a lot of drugs till I found you. She liked petty crimes, she had green eyes like Mountain Dew. And where'd she go? I'll never know. Friends bounce too. I guess it's their loss, cause I'll never know what we'll amount to. Won't you be my light, be my yellow PYT, walking down Port Bello, put a smile on my face at the end of the day. Andy and me up to fly away. You'd have known, you saved my life. You'd have known, you fly my kite. Could you tell, could you tell? Could you tell, could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Just to find peace. Man, I thought I had everything, I was lonely. Now you're my everything, I was hoping. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was all alone. Late night we would call my phone just to check if I was blessed, cause you knew I was low. Hair rolling off my throne. I remember we was in the park. Late night made love on the grass. Got my head in the clouds counting on my stars. In my ears said the world was ours. Went to hell and back just to heal my wounds, cause it gets like that. Wrong side of the room, no tube can't read. You're my Cleopatra, no side thing, don't need a backer. Need a real one, don't need an actor. Last one today, think you want BAFTA. Come and be my girl. Could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. Man, I thought I had everything, I was lonely. Now you're my everything, I was hoping. Yeah, yeah, Instagram at LIVLIV. There's merch down the back.